Yeah, hi there. Thank you so much for clicking in. This is Divyanshu. So today we are going to learn few more words, few more situations which will help us to improve our communication skills. So what do we have today? Look at these words which we have. These are the names of the months. So how do we say this? It is not January, it is January. So how do we say that? It's January, January, January. And the second one is February. It's February. So we'll say February, it is not February, it is February, February, February. And the third one is March. And the fourth one is April. And the fifth one is May. And the sixth one is June. So January, February, March, April, May, June. January, February, March, April, May, June. So I would want you to write it down and I'll proceed further and we'll learn few more situations today. So I'm going to rub it. So the first situation which we are going to talk about today is will be able to. And we use this situation whenever we have this कर सकूंगा, कर सकेंगे and कर सकेंगी. So it's like मैं यह काम कर सकूंगा. I will be able to do this work. मैं वहां जा सकूंगा. I will be able to go there. मैं तुमसे बात कर सकूंगा. I will be able to talk to you. मैं तुम्हें कॉल कर सकूंगा. I will be able to call you. मैं ये काम नहीं कर सकूंगा. I will not be able to do this work. मैं तुम्हारी मदद नहीं कर सकूंगा. I will not be able to help you. मैं यहाँ नहीं बैठ सकूंगा. I will not be able to sit here. मैं यह काम पूरा नहीं कर सकूंगा. I will not be able to complete this work. So as you know, with the help of every helping verb, we can make 6 sentences. So similarly, with this helping verb, we can make 6 sentences as well. So the first sentence will be, I will be able to do this. I will not be able to do this. Will I be able to do this? Will I not be able to do this? Why will, or let's say how will I be able to do this? And how will I not be able to do this? So obviously, instead of I, you can use we, you, they, he, she, it, which are our other subjects. And this is the helping verb, will be able to, and this is your action, which is do, karta, verb, action. Karta is this, which is I, which is subject. So I will be able to do this, I will not be able to do this, will I be able to do this, will I not be able to do this, how will I be able to do this, and how will I not be able to do this. तो मैं यह कर सकूंगा, मैं नहीं कर सकूंगा, क्या मैं कर सकूंगा, क्या मैं नहीं कर सकूंगा, मैं कैसे कर सकूंगा और मैं कैसे नहीं कर सकूंगा. That's how you make sentences with the help of will be able to. And आप अपनी लाइफ में सोचें कि आप कब यूज करते हैं कर सकूंगा, कर सकेंगे. Do you ever use this situation in your life? Just think in your brain, when do we use it? So whenever you have these sentences like कर सकूंगा, जा सकूंगा, help कर सकूंगा, ये नहीं कर सकूंगा, at that point of time you have to use will be able to. And I would want you to start making sentences with the help of this. Whenever you have this situation in your day-to-day life, it will help you to improve your spoken English. Now, I'm going to talk about one more situation today, which goes like this. So I hope you have written it by now. I'm going to rub it. All right. So the second situation which we have, that is, would like to, which means चाहूंगा. मैं तुम्हारी मदद करना चाहूंगा. I would like to help you. मैं वहां जाना चाहूंगा, आई वुड लाइक टू गो देयर। मैं ये काम नहीं करना चाहूंगा, आई वुड नॉट लाइक टू डू दिस वर्क। मैं यहाँ बैठना चाहूंगा, आई वुड लाइक टू सिट हियर। whenever you go to restaurant, you may have observed, आप जब कभी भी किसी होटल में जाते हैं, रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं, आपने देखा होगा जो वहां पे वेटर होता है, he comes up to you and he asks you that what would you like to have, आप क्या लेना पसंद करेंगे। Where would you like to sit, आप कहाँ बैठना चाहेंगे। What would you like to do, तुम क्या करना चाहोगे। Where would you like to go, तुम कहाँ जाना चाहोगे। That's how you can make sentences with the help of would like to. मैं यह काम करना चाहूंगा, I would like to do this work. मैं तुमसे बात करना नहीं चाहूंगा, I would not like to talk to you. मैं यहां बैठना चाहूंगा, I would like to sit here. आप क्या लेना पसंद करेंगे, What would you like to have? आप क्या करना चाहेंगे, What would you like to do? आप कहां जाना चाहेंगे, Where would you like to go? आप किससे बात करना चाहेंगे, Who would you like to speak to? So these are the sentences you can make with the help of would like to. So I'll write few sentences for you over here, so it will be easy for you to learn them and to improve your communication skills, which is like, I would like to learn English. मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहूंगा. Now you can make 6 sentences with the help of this, which is I would like to learn English, I would not like to learn English, would I like to learn English, would I not like to learn English, how would I like to learn English, or why would I like to learn English, or when would I like to learn English, or when would I not like to learn English. So I would request you to practice on these situations and work on them, try to say them, and I'm sure you will be able to keep that on your tongue and it will help you. So thank you so much for watching this video. You take care. God bless you. See you soon.